Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's really important when it comes to building visually appealing web applications, progress bars. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to fill everything left in a Bootstrap to progress bar guide. If you've ever worked with Bootstrap before, you know how great their pre-built components are for speeding up your development process. But sometimes, these components can be a bit finicky. And that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. Progress bars are an essential part of any web application, as they provide users with feedback on the status of a task or operation. And when it comes to Bootstrap too, their progress bar component is one of the most popular and widely used out there. However, filling everything left in this progress bar can be a bit tricky, which is why we're here today to break it down for you. In this video, we'll take a step-by-step approach to understanding how to fill everything left in a Bootstrap to progress bar guide. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to more advanced concepts, using examples and analogies to help illustrate each point. By the end of this video, you should have a solid grasp on how to customize your progress bars to fit your specific needs. So, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to understand is how Bootstrap 2's progress bar component works. Essentially, it's made up of two main parts, the container and the bar itself. The container is the outermost element that holds everything together, while the bar is the inner element that actually displays the progress. To fill everything left in this progress bar, we need to modify the CSS styles associated with these elements. Specifically, we'll be targeting the progress bar class, which controls the appearance of the progress bar itself. Think of it like a puzzle. We need to adjust the individual pieces, the CSS styles, to create the desired picture, a fully filled progress bar. One way to do this is by setting the width property of the progress bar element to 100% while. This will effectively fill the entire container with a progress bar, giving us the effect we want. Another important aspect to consider is the background color of the progress bar. By default, Bootstrap sets this to a light grayish-blue color. However, you can customize this by overriding the background color property in your own CSS file. For example, if you wanted to change the background color to a deep blue, you could add the following code to your style sheet. Netword habe Edward progress bar bake background color #tufer #. This will give your progress bar a sleek and modern look that fits perfectly with the rest of your application's design. So, what are the main points we've covered in this video? First, we talked about how Bootstrap 2's progress bar component works, including its container and bar elements. Next, we discussed how to modify the CSS styles associated with these elements to fill everything left in the progress bar. We also touched on customizing the background color of the progress bar by overriding the background color property in your own CSS file. And finally, we saw an example of how to change this color to a deep blue using a simple line of code. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this explanation helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and guides on web development. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one.